Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're working on the Mustang. When I turn the key to start it, nothing happens. So we're going to troubleshoot that and see if we can't get that fixed. Join me in the adventure. Alright, so first things first, we're going to test the battery. Make sure that's all good. We do have a little bit of corrosion there, but it's not too bad. So we got the old multimeter. We got it on direct current. So we're going to put the negative in like so, and then touch the positive, and it's 13.05 volts, and that's very good for this battery. So I would say we're good there. And we're showing pretty much no voltage through there. However, to this side we got 1304, so that's good. So what happens with the solenoid is when you turn the ignition switch, this switches over and then it runs power to here. We're going to test that, make sure that's working all right, and see if that is the issue or not. Alright, to test that, we've put some alligator clip wires on my leads here just to have a little bit longer reach so that I can see it inside of the car. Alright, so we kind of got it inside so we can kind of see it. Put it in, and we're getting like 1.6 volts was as high as I saw it. 1.12, that's about it. And you just hear that kind of, I don't know if you can hear that or not. 1.5, it's just kind of a turning sound. It's not like it's spinning up like it's supposed to. So my thought is that solenoid might be bad. So I think we're going to replace that and see what we get. It should be transmitting more like 11 to 12 volts. Alright, hopefully you can kind of see what's going on here. We're going to take off all the connections. Actually, we're going to label those two so that we can get those back on the right ones. Alright, we're just going to put a piece of tape on this front one here as a reminder that goes to the front. Alright, hopefully you can kind of see I've disconnected the battery. I've marked this front one and then took the back one off. Now we're going to take these connections off with a ratchet. Where do I put that? That's here in my pocket. Came off pretty good. Put that right there. That goes there. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff connected in here, like so. And then we got this back one, which is already loose a little bit. Take that off, and now we are ready to remove the old solenoid. Alright, so it's really close here, so we're just trying to get something on it. And we're going to do the same thing here. There we go. Wasn't too bad. However many years this has been on here. Let's put that up. There we go. ones out. Alright, so we got this new one here. We got this from CJ Pony Parts. It's a Union Pacific, made in China but designed in the USA. Alright, well, let's see what it does. So it looks pretty good. Looks like we got, comes with hardware. And the mount's a little different. It's a bottom mount versus a top mount like the old one. Hopefully that will work. Holes are about the same. It just will kind of cover up the sticker a little bit, but it should be fine. Let's make sure all the that reaches. That should reach. That should reach. That should reach, and that should reach. Alright, so we should be good with that. So we're going to put it on and see what we get. Alright, so we're going to just kind of work to put this on. A little bit loose like that. Let it hang, get the other bolt. Put it on. Alright, here's the moment of truth. We got it hooked onto the solenoid there. Let's see what we get. Absolutely nothing. Well, that's not good at all. At least before we had some spinny. I'm not sure what's wrong with it now. Maybe I didn't hook something up right. Or the terminals are reversed on this one. So we're going to take it out, swap maybe those two leads, and go from there. Alright, so my only thought is that maybe these two are reversed. So we're going to swap these two out. And try that. Besides that, I don't really know what else to do. Alright, let's try this again. So that looked pretty good. We're getting some current through there. Don't sound great. So we're gonna maybe hit on that starter a little bit. Maybe it's locked up. Alright, we're gonna try it again. I just hit on the starter with the hammer. Let's see what we get. Maybe that solenoid wasn't the problem. Maybe it's just a starter. We'll find out here in just a second. Well, that's not good. Alright, one last attempt here is we've got it jumped onto the minivan, and let's see if we get anything different. We got a lot different. Oh, we got a turn there. It just hasn't moved in so long. It's just not wanting to spin over like it should. Well, that's a good sign that at least it's moving a little bit. But not a good sign that it's just really chugging. Also means I probably have a bad battery. Alright, so we got it rolling there, which is awesome. It's just starting to get too hot in the day to work on it where it is, so we'll pick it up at a later time. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.